एक स्पीच है जाकिर क्लास 6, इसके बाद एक एक्शन ड्रामा है औलाद की तरबियत, उसके लिए बच्चे तैयार रहें।
Respected teachers and all the variable guests and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, as today we have together on the occasion of the annual day. So on such an occasion, of the annual day, everyone has got the opportunity to hear something and learn something. Friends, as the annual exam is just around the corners, after that the new syllabus of 2025 will start, then we don't know who will be where. Friends, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It means to say that whoever stays connected with education, wherever he is and adhere to the teachings given by his teachers. For example, staying away from lies and deceit, stick to truth and honesty, do not disobey your parents at all and respect your elders. खूबसूरत इंसान की पहचान उसके चेहरे से नहीं होती, बल्कि खूबसूरत इंसान की पहचान उसके अंदर की खूबियों और बेहतरीन अखलाक से होती है। इसलिए नेक बने, स्वादिक बने और अच्छे अखलाक के मालिक बने। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।